welcome to Enzo TVidz. Today I'm going to be making pigs in a blanket with my friend Vera. These are the following ingredients that we will need. First, we're going to cut the hot dogs into smaller pieces. Let's clean up.
That was easy. Now we're going to cut the puffed pastry. Now I'm going to slice the other way.
Now, we are going to wrap the piggies in the blanket. Make sure they are nice and tight. Then, put them on a baking sheet, lined with the baking paper. Next, we're going to crack an egg and beat it. Now we're going to paint the pigs in the blanket with a beaten egg to make it look golden. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we put it in the oven. Now it's time to taste. It is good with ketchup and mustard. It's delicious.
It's very good.
I hope you give it a try. Making pigs in the blanket is so easy and fun.
And delicious.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you on my next video. Bye!